Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be another super short speed clean for you guys, and this is going to be a husband and wife speed clean. Sean is super amazing and wonderful and went above and beyond this night and helps me around the house.
Take my hand and take me home tonight. Throwing caution to the wind. I'll take a chance and let you in. Just take my hand and take me home tonight. We defeat.
Pretty much every single night, Sean does the dishes while I clean the counters, and then I go back behind him and I wash the sink. I can be a little bit OCD about the sink being clean and washed really well, so this is the part that I always do. I have a love-hate relationship with this dessert display. On one hand, it looks way cuter than having the pan on my counter, but on the other hand, it makes me eat them much more.
Running so fast, can you find me in the dark? Oh baby, close your eyes and listen to the beat of my heart. Take my hand, don't be afraid. A love like ours just can't be tamed. Take my heart, just feel the beat. We'll leave tonight and run free into the
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and hit that subscribe button before you leave. And I hope y'all have a blessed day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.